Happy new month, traders. This trading week actually ushers us into a new month. Last week was amazing as expected. I also come your way this week with some favorable setups. Let us recap on last week pairs. So last week on the watch list we had the USD CAD, the USD CHF, the CAD CHF, and the Euro CHF on the watch list. The USD CHF and the USD CAD went as expected. So to begin with the USD CAD, we had our pullback into this area that I was really expecting, and then this pair stayed bearish throughout the week. For the CAD CHF also, I was looking for a pullback into this area or a close below this low. I think it is this area, a close below here, this area, before considering a short position. And also it remained bearish throughout the week. For the USD CAD, due to correlation with the CAD CHF, it didn't meet my expectation as it couldn't break the support, the confluence of support that I was looking at. For the Euro CHF too, it turned out as a big disappointment as it remained choppy throughout the week. I mentioned that the risk of this trade was false breaks, and we had double false breaks here and there. It remained ugly throughout the week. The good thing about it is that because the breaks were very long, positions weren't conceded. Actually was looking for retests. So for the coming week on the watch list, we have the USDJPY, which I analyzed a few weeks ago, the GBPNZD and the GBPAUD. Let us start with the USDJPY. So for the USDJPY, a few weeks ago when I analyzed it, I had this ascending channel on the daily time frame though, but then I think it was 3 weeks ago I was looking at this area, this range, for it to break on the 4-hour time frame. So it broke and went up, but now we have a false break. The USDJPY actually broke the ascending channel's resistance, fell back in, and it is now below the support of the ascending channel. I am bearish this pair throughout the week, but on entries I'll be looking for a retest of the ascending channel support as new resistance. I'll be looking for bearish price action around this zone or this level, that is the 108.499, to consider a short position. If the retest never comes, a close below this key level, which comes in at the 107.484, would be a reason enough to consider a short position. If the retest never comes, or if this break below this level never comes and price pulls back to trade back within the ascending channel, I'll let go of my bearish bias. On the GBPNZD, we can see on the daily time frame that we have a market that has been bullish all along. February wasn't an exception to the bullishness of this pair. So the whole of February has produced a market structure to work with. This comes in the form of an ascending channel. So within the course of the week, my idea would be to do nothing as long as the GBPNZD stays trading within the ascending channel. A trade idea would come along when the price of the GBPNZD is able to close below the support of the channel on a 4-hour time frame basis. So we're close below this level, or a break below this level and a retest of this level would render my bias bearish. So for the GBPNZD, it is actually neutral to me as long as it's trading within the market structure. Another idea would also be that it could hold on the support of the channel, but I wouldn't be so interested in buying a market structure as this one. The counterpart of the GBPNZD is the GBPAUD, which also has a similar market structure, which is a bit steeper and smaller in size as compared to the GBPNZD. They are moving the same anyway. So the GBPAUD is also within an ascending channel. Also, the trade idea here would be to wait for the break of the channel support on a 4-hour time frame basis to consider a short position. So also there could be a break and retest before going down. Alternatively, the price of the GBPAUD could hold on the support of the channel. So these are the pairs that I'm looking at for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week. See you next week.